Welcome back, students, for this video session on practical components of the computer networks. In today's session, we are going to discuss about how to configure a dynamic host configuration protocol, I mean a DHCP server using Cisco Packet Tracer tool. For the end of this video session, the viewers will be able to know about the DHCP and its connectivity issues, and we can able to solve the connectivity issues using Packet Tracer tool. So we shall straightly move to the Packet Tracer tool. So here we are having a packet tracer tool. First of all, what for we have to use a DHCP server, a dynamic host configuration. We all know that host means system. I mean the end system. Host na end system ne எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். So until now, we are configuring these end system. And the end system எல்லாத்துக்கும் நம்ம IP address எப்படி configure பண்றோம்? ஒரு சிஸ்டமா போயிட்டு நம்ம manual search configure தான் பண்றோம். I mean static configuration தான் பண்றோம். Which will be involving a very tedious process. So, network or size அதிகமாகும்போது number of hosts அதிகமாகும். Number of hosts அதிகமாகும்போது automatically நமக்கு configure பண்றதுக்கான timing and efforts அதிகமாகும். So, how to perform a dynamic configuration of host using this DHCP server? So, as a first step, I can place as much number of systems. Suppose நான் வந்து ஒரு நெட்வொர்க்ல 5 number of systems இருக்குன்னு நான் assume பண்ணிக்கிறேன். It's getting slow. Number one. System number 2, system number 3, system number 4, and system number 5. For reserve purpose, I have one more system, and I'm having a server which is going to act as a DHCP server. So, connect I need to make use of a switch. I'm connecting a switch here. And then I'm renaming the server as DHCP server. Now, this is the first step. System second step is, as usual, we have to connect. So, since both the ends are of different systems, device and the straight through connection is first connection and then followed by second connection, followed by third system, followed by fourth system, followed by fifth system, and then connecting to server. So look at this one. So here, step number 3 is select this DHCP server. I have selected this DHCP server. As usual, with the IP address fixed on a forum. So going to desktop, IP configuration. I'm giving any IP version for maybe 192.163.1.14. So in whatever device are there, so gateway device same ID the default again. DNS server. In the DNS server, I will connect so as it is 0.0 and then go to services. The server if now act it is going to act as DHCP server, whereas DHCP here it is DHCP, and then go to on பண்ணிட்டு maybe full name LAN 1 default gateway நம்ம DHCP server என்ன default gateway கொடுத்தோம் 1.1 DNS server நம்ம எதுவும் யூஸ் பண்ணல, so I'm leaving it as 0.0. So now coming to the IP address. So 192.163.1.0 நீங்க default இருக்கு, but we can't give the IP address 1.0 as a starting address because we all know that 1.0ன்றது network ID represent பண்ணும். அப்போ 1.1 தரலாமா? 1.1ன்றது gateway represent பண்ணுவீங்க. அப்போ 1.0 தர முடியாது, 1.1 தர முடியாது. ஸோ மை ஸ்டார்டிங் அட்ரஸ் இஸ் 1.2. செப்பரேட் மாஸ்கிங் கிளாஸ் சி அட்ரஸ் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக இங்கே வந்து மேக்ஸிமம் நம்பர் ஆஃப் யூசர்ஸ் எத்தனை யூசர் இங்கே டிஃபைன் பண்ணுறோம்? 5 நம்பர் ஆஃப் யூசர்ஸ். அப்போ இங்கே வெறும் 5 கொடுத்தோம். only 5 number of users. TFTP நமக்கு தேவை, WFC தேவையில்லை. And then give it as add. Add கொடுத்துட்டு we can close this one. Now go to PC 0. Manual configure பண்ணுறது பதிலாக desktop IP configuration. Static பதிலாக dynamic host கொடுங்க. It will be requesting for IP address. Randomly நமக்கு 1.2 automatically address. Similarly PC2, go to desktop IP configuration. DHCP கொடுங்க, requesting IP address 1.3 has been randomly chosen. I'm coming to next to PC. Going to desktop, IP configuration, DHCP, requesting IP address, randomly chosen as allocate class 1.4. Next IP is desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. Next IP is IP version, 1.5. Next is desktop, IP configuration, DHCP 1.6. Now allocate. That's all. And the system maximum limit of 5 numbers. And the system will allocate. Suppose imagine I want to connect one more additional system here. Connect it. And I'm selecting this one. And I'm going to configure this one using dynamic protocol. Requesting IP address. Look at this one. Limit exceed. It's already 5 into the limit already. So since the limit has been exceeded, look at this one. It is taken as DHCP failed. So suppose in case, let us assume a scenario. So if the scenario maximum limit 5 5 number of IPs randomly choose. Suppose in case, why is a dynamic advantage? Suppose in a device fail. Imagine this particular device has been down. So maximum number of system is 5. If a device add in the Pudu device IP configure because I'm try DHCP failed. Try now once again IP configuration. DHCP static DHCP. It's requesting IP address. Now look at this one. Automatically range. So this is the most important advantage of a DHCP protocol, which means either system fail, we can able to replace that system with some other system so that IP address easy allocate. So this is the major advantage of the DHCP server. So if you have any doubts, you can raise it in the comment box. And coming back to the outcomes. So in the experiment, what are the outcomes we can able to achieve? Because of this experiment, we can able to gain basic knowledge at a normal level, weaker level. Problem analysis, weaker contribution, design and development of solutions moderately. We are not using any data investigation, so not correlation. We are using packet tracer tool, so modern tool usage is 3. Engineering and society contribution in the experiment may be weaker. No contribution for environment. Weaker contribution for ethics and individual teamwork. Normal contribution for communication and project management, and a strong correlation for lifelong learning. So if you have any doubts, you can raise it in the chat box. Thank you.